So many people think that negotiating is only between you and the other side. But over the last year, we all have had to learn that we have to negotiate with our clients and try to get them to understand the positions that we're in, the things that we have to do, all of the just difficult conversations we have to have. And then once we get that side taken care of, then we turn around and face out the other way and start having to negotiate with the people that we're trying to do the deal with. You know, sometimes we're the peacemaker. Sometimes we have to be diplomatic. We have to give a little bit. Sometimes we have to be bad cop. And it really can be very uncomfortable. But the more we practice and the more we recognize that we're negotiating all the time. I don't care if it's negotiating with your dog when you get out of bed, or with your kids trying to get them to eat breakfast, or with traffic trying to get somebody to let you in when you're trying to merge. Negotiation is all day, every day. And yet somehow we just focus down onto just the other side. So what are you going to get out of this class today? We're going to help you make sure that you can go forward and have the tools to be able to negotiate and to come out being successful and looking like the rock star.